Beautiful day out on the lake, hardly any wind, but we got our big Jenica flying. Ain't really much out here. We're doing 1.2 knots. My buddy's down there chilling.